Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today let's see 2023 planner setup. So I'm going to be setting up my personal planner, which is Factor Notes 2023 planner, along with you guys. I already shared an unboxing of this planner. I will link that video on the I button and also in the description box below. You can check it out. I just love the cover. It brings so much joy looking at it. So first page is this planner belongs to page, and I'm going to use my favorite calligraphy pen. This is by Artline. I will also try to link all the stationery that I use in this video in the description box below as well. I'm just writing the name and also using some stickers. This is how it looks. It looks so pretty with the washi tapes and everything. It's really cute. Left hand side I want to use these stickers which are really cute. I used it. It looks amazing. I like it so much. All done. And on the next page we have goal setting page. So we can write my top 5 goals in this page. I have lot of mini goals, but I have just selected some of the main goals, like top 5 goals that I would like to achieve by this year, and I was writing it. First goal is I want to maintain my BMI, weight and everything. Like health wise, I was in a very good state in 2022. I'm so grateful for that. I lost around 6 to 7 kgs. I got my BMI to normal, which is a huge thing for me. So I just want to maintain that level of feeling and being healthy. And then I want to reach 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I want to grow our little community a little lot. So let's see how that goes. Of course, it's not in my control, but I just have this goal. Next one is to monetize my YouTube channel. So it is also one of my goal in 2022. That's fine because again, it's not in our control. But anyways, I just wanted to put it out there. Another goal is, you guys know I love books. So I want to read 12 books this year, which means 1 book a month. I'm so excited for this goal. Another goal is to save and invest more. So 2022 is quite good in a lot of ways, and also financially I started to save and invest in 2022 only. So I'm really liking it right now. So I just want to improve more, like I want to save more and invest more in 2023. That's why I got this goal. And then I was just sticking a lot of stickers in the goals page as well to make it decorative, fun and cute. So this is my goals page looks like. Let me know what are your top 5 goals for the year or top 3 goals for 2023 in the comment section below. Okay, up next we have this positive things that we can do, which I'm not going to do anything. And then we have vision board, which I will do along with you guys in the upcoming video. Do stay tuned for that. And then we have yearly review, which again I will do on 31st of December or around first week. Up next we have the expectations from 2023 and action plan for 2023. I can't write my action plan in this one side itself. It takes a lot of space. So I just thought of converting it into current me and future me activity. So I talked about this in my goal setting video, so you can watch that. So next we have my improvement plan, which I'm definitely going to fill out. So I really like this spread in this planner. So I'm just going to use stickers and then write words, phrases related to each category. Like we have body, mind, relationships and work. For body, I wanted to start doing yoga, meditation. Like I want to try all those things, and also I want to continue 2 things that I have been doing in 2022 which really helped me. One is walking, another one is workout 1 time a week, because I don't like working out. So doing that once a week also made a very good change and improvement in my health. That's when I realized that I don't have to work out every single day in order to see some changes or improvement. We can do at our own pace, but we just have to be consistent with that pace. That's one thing that I realized. So I just wanted to continue with that. Next, I have some eating habits thing, which is eat on time, eat healthy, switch to healthier alternatives, more veggies, more fruits, more water. Also, I written about sleep, like sleep well and sleep on time, because my sleeping pattern or sleeping quality of sleep or just my sleep cycle just went terrible. It was messed up in this year 2022, which I don't like at all. So I want to improve that. So that's why it is in my improvement plan. And I just written take care of yourself. So next, coming to mind, I written more journaling, more write it down, because I feel like whenever we write things down, we feel much lighter and it just feels good. One of the feel good activity. Next, I have meditate and nature walks, which also comes under body and mind as well. The motto is to never stop learning, and also plan in advance, because planning is kind of a therapy for me. It's very therapeutic whenever, mostly at night, when I keep my planner, sit down and light a candle and just plan. It feels so relaxing and therapeutic. So I just want to continue that in this year as well. As you know, I am going to use 2 planners. I want to use it well, effectively, and also if I plan, I will be much more stress-free and great. And I want to take some day off, which I'm really not good at. So I want to practice that. And another very good quote that resonates with this mind category is disconnect to reconnect, which I totally like, because we have to disconnect in order to reconnect with our work or anything else. Next, coming to relationships, guys, in relationship category, it just don't have to be like partner, but also it can be a relationship that you have with others, like your relationship with your friends, your family, your parents, etc. So I've just written few words that I value most, which is respect, connect, and also to spread love, kindness and positivity. More road trips, more movie night and travel with loved ones. Next, we have work category, one of my favorite. I've written in bold like work-life balance, because I definitely need a balance. I'm just writing this goal or just this phrase every single year, and I've written it in the last year as well, but like it was okay, but I'm fully not balancing my work and life. That's why I have same written this time. And I want to get things done effectively, and I want to make things easy and how I can do it effectively and efficiently. And also I want to do my best in whatever I do, and don't forget to take a break. Then I want to track my work timings, like how many hours I work. I want to track that, and also I want to learn about how I can effectively do my work. And then I have few stickers. So I really love my improvement plan, the spread. I totally like it. Next, we have my favorite quotes. This is also another spread that I really like. I'm a quotes lover. So I just picked these books which I think will have some amazing quotes, and I thought of writing it. First, I'm going to get this beautiful quote about persistence from this book Think and Grow Rich, which is one of my favorite book, by the way. And because my word of this year is persistence, I wanted to write that quote first. So the quote is, the sustained effort necessary to induce faith, that is persistence. There are a lot of like definitions for persistence, but it just feels nice, so I just written that. So next few quotes are from the book Attitude is Everything, which really has a lot of wonderful quotes. So if you're a quote lover, or if you need a book that has a lot of quotes, I would highly recommend Attitude is Everything. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable. And also I have written, whether you think you can or you cannot, you are right. It's by Henry Ford, and I feel like it's just, all about mind related quote. I really like it. Then also another quote is no pressure, no diamonds, which is one of my favorite quote for years now. Next I have a quote from You're a Badass at Making Money, and it is change your mind and change your life. Again, a mind related quote because it's all in our mind. Our mind is magnet. Next another quote is your beliefs hold the key to your financial success. And also I got a quote by Buddha. It says, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. I really liked it. I've even shared like an Instagram post with this quote, so I just thought of including it. Then I've written, if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. So this quote I read in Do Epic Shit book. So it's once I read it, I really liked it. So I just thought I have to remember it, see it quite a lot. So I have just written in my planner. Then there's a days to remember section in which I just noted a channel birthday, which is on October 11th. Yes, it's been 1 full year starting and growing this YouTube channel. Other days I will fill out later on. So next we have letter to my future self, which I will definitely fill out in the first week of January. Next we have some prompts or journaling time. We have things to overcome, things to embrace. These are some really good questions to reflect and write about. So I'm just writing whatever I'm comfortable writing it along with you guys on camera. Rest I will fill out later on offline. And also we have I Know Me section, which is all about ourselves. I feel like self-introspection is really necessary at certain checkpoints in our life so that we can reflect about ourselves and get a lot of insight, and we can align ourselves with those insights. So self-reflection is much more important. We can do all of those in this planner, which is so good. I will definitely be filling out everything later on. Have bucket list and anti-bucket list. So for bucket list, in my mind right now, it is just only one thing, which is to learn to speak Korean. I will definitely get a lot of ideas when I can think about it, so I will fill out later on. It's one of my goals this year as well, but I learned very few words like yarum, mul, otake jeneseyo. These are the words that I learned that I can remember without seeing my notebook, but I learned even more words that I have written in my Korean notebook. So I don't want to write Korean, I just want to speak it nicely. Like if I can just speak just one sentence beautifully, that's quite enough for me. So that's that. And in my anti-bucket list, I've written some things that I don't want to do, which is I don't want to take my health for granted, and also I don't want to compromise my health for anything. Just written that. Next is my ideal week in 2023, which I'm definitely not sure about right now, so I will do it later on. Next we have the yearly calendar and the notes page, which I'm definitely don't know what I'm going to do for now, so let's just leave it there. And then the monthly pages begin, so let's go to the later part where we have few spreads. First we have my reading list, my favorite. I love to collect books and also to read books, but I collect a lot than I read books, that's the truth. But I just have few books on my mind right now, so I'm just writing all of those books. But I do have a lot of like book reading list. I just compile everything and write the rest later on. Also I want to finalize the 12 books that I want to read in the year 2023. So some of the books that I've written here are Atomic Habits, Good Vibes, Good Life, The Psychology of Money, The Universe Has Your Back, The Mountain Is You, Mindset, The 4 Agreements, Make Time, Work-Life Balance, Essentialism. So few books I have in the form of Kindle. I already purchased it. Few I want to have it like a physical copy with me, like the Good Vibes Good Life. I do want to order it because the cover itself looks so pretty while seeing on the internet. I want to have the physical copy of that book. And few I have like a audio version, like I purchased it on Audible because some offers were going on, so I just purchased few books on Audible. So it's just a mixed thing. Let's see how that goes. And my learning list for now, what I can think in my mind is that I want to learn about mindset, mindset shift and everything. I just know a tiny bit of it. I want to learn more about it, and also I want to learn something new about editing. Like, I know few things about editing, that's what I do, so I just want to learn something new. And also I want to learn how I can balance my work and life and create that boundary. I'm really bad at it, so that's my learning list looks like. Definitely I will fill it out later on. Next is my movie watch list and series watch list. I thought of converting one into like K-dramas, but I'm just going to write my K-dramas and series in the series watch list itself. I'm sure K-dramas will dominate this spread a lot. There will be only few series, so that's fine. A few K-dramas that I can think of, like Run On, Startup. I want to always watch these dramas, but I just end up watching some other or a new K-drama, and that's how this year went. So I want to watch those. And also I've written Home My Venus because I'm really curious with the teaser of that series, the teaser that I watched on Netflix. I will also be writing my K-dramas that I watched in 2022. I want to make that spread. I think I will do it in my goal setting video. And also I have some stickers related to K-dramas. That is so good. I'm so excited for the spread. Next we have my travel list, which I just written beach and temples. That's it. These are the two places that I can think of. So let's see if any other things pops up in my mind. I will write it later on. Next, my restaurant/food list, in which I'm going to write down all the food that I want to try out, new food. So I want to try salads. I think I tried 1 or 2 times salad this year. That's it. So I want to try more of that. More Korean food. I think I tried the rolled omelette, and also another thing, Korean mango milk. These are the 2 things that I tried this year. So I want to try more Korean food and more soups. So I really likes to cook, so I want to cook more Korean recipes. So that's what it is. Next we have my position map, and I don't know what to write all of in these things, so I'm just going to leave it there. Next we have my wish list for 2023, which is a lot actually, so I will be writing later on. And the vacation plan, I don't have any plans right now. Next we have some few blank spaces like notes, which we can convert into whatever we want, which I'm definitely going to do. So first I want to write this start/continue and stop in 2023. So this spread I will be writing what and all I want to start, continue and stop in 2023. So this exercise will really help me to figure out my goals, visions for 2023, and also the vision for the long term. And also I've written perfect day in my life. I talked about all these exercises in my goal setting video, and you haven't set your goals for 2023, then you need to watch this video on the screen right now, which is my helpful guide for you guys to set and achieve your 2023 goals. So do watch it. And that's it. This is my Factor Notes 2023 planner setup. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.